Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up autopay in Wells Fargo credit card app. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to open your Wells Fargo application. So here I have noted down some details, some steps that you can use to set up autopay in Wells Fargo credit card. Alright, so to set up automatic payments for your Wells Fargo credit card, you have to take your phone and open the Wells Fargo mobile application. Once you open the application, what you have to do is log into your account, and when the application is loaded, you can see all your accounts. So here, what you have to do next is tap on your credit card account, and on the credit card account screen, you can see your balance and recent activity. Then what you have to do is scroll down and find the setup autopay button. So you will see a autopay button, click on there, and once you do that, it will load the transfer money screen. Now select the account from which you want to make the automatic payments. It can be an external account or your Wells Fargo checking account. So after you select from the account, choose how much you want to pay. It can be minimum payment due, last pay statement balance, or some fixed amount. Next, tap on continue, and once you click on continue button, review all the details and scroll down, and below you will see you have the option to set up autopay. So all you have to do is tap on that set up autopay button, and that's it. That is how you'll be able to autopay in Wells Fargo credit card application. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.